Alright guys, welcome back, whichever. I appreciate you clicking on that button to play this video. So we're going to talk about how to identify if your wheel bearings are bad in your hub assembly, and also to figure out if you have unbalanced tires. Now, I don't think I have unbalanced tires, but I do know for sure that my hub assembly in the back rear is done. It's trash. And I can hear it right now. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I'm going about 40 miles an hour right now. We're gonna get on the highway, and it's definitely gonna intensify. But I noticed this when I was on my older wheels, my GSR Blades. I don't know if you've been up with my channel, but I currently got on some new wheels right now. So on my GSR Blades, I would hear it, and I thought about it. I was like, my tires are unbalanced. Well, I did some research. I did my knowledge last night, and when your tires are unbalanced, your wheel would shake. It would do a bad vibration. Like right now, my vibration is good. I don't really have any vibration. But with this, oh my God, these 18 wheelers. With this hub assembly and wheel bearing, you're just gonna hear it hum. That's all it's gonna do. So we're about to get on the highway right here. That's great. We're at 60. You hear it? I'm gonna put the phone to the back. Not sure if you can hear that. I'm pretty sure you can hear it, so that's what that is. It's pretty freaking loud. So the plan is to get a new hub and wheel assembly and swap that out because I can't deal with that. Now there is a little vibration on my steering wheel. My steering wheel is loose, which is not recommended to drive like, but it's another story. But the video I seen with the unbalanced tires, it was a lot more shakier than what I'm experiencing. Not saying that it won't help me if I did get my tires balanced, which would be great because I do have to get an alignment and everything. So that's pretty much the goal, guys. We're gonna get a new hub assembly. We're gonna get a new wheel bearing. And we're gonna get these tires balanced and rotated. And we're also gonna get an alignment. But if you hear this sound in your vehicle, a loud humming sound, identify which part of the vehicle it's coming from, and then check out some prices